Hello guys, today I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to easily create PayPal account in Thailand in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Let's begin. Start by visiting the PayPal website and clicking on the sign up button. Next, select your account type, choose between a personal or business account depending on your needs. Then enter your email address and create a strong password to secure your account. After that, fill out your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and other required details. To proceed, verify your account. You'll receive a verification email and a code on your mobile phone. Just follow the instructions to complete the process. Now link your Thai bank account or credit debit card to enable transactions. If prompted, upload copies of your national ID or passport, along with a proof of address for additional verification. And finally, confirm and complete the setup. Once everything is verified, your PayPal account will be ready to use.